hurt you. He's just a little crabby little.
No, he's like
He's prickly.
He's alive.
He's like, I want to go.
Let's go take him back to the ocean. Hold on, I gotta save him. I have to take him back to the ocean. I have to. All the way over there. I feel like he needs the ocean. So I'm gonna take the shrimp that was moving a little while ago back to the ocean. That's life. You can't get life out of water. So I'm gonna toy Finding Nemo it, Finding Dory it, finding this little cute little guy. Let you go free, little guy. You're still moving. Let's see. Let's see you go free. Let's see you go free, little guy. It's hurt. At least he's now in his home.